Okay, so today we're going to talk about is goal number 8. Last time we had spoken about goal 7. So goal 8 is decent work and economic growth. So what are the targets? So let's see, as you can see on the screen, is good economic growth and high levels of economic productivity and diversification. So you need a lot of diversification, and how can you get diversification? You have to see that everybody is working. So here you have to be very technologically sound. Okay, and what else? So you have to see that there is a good, so high levels of economic productivity, there must be diversification. That means all the industries should start working, not only in agriculture but also in industry and also in the tertiary sector. So now I'll just wrap this and I'll tell you what we can do it, how we can get this economic growth. So the first thing I will write down here is economic growth by overall development. Okay, then is diversification. Third is innovation, so we have to see that there is innovation. Okay, obviously there must be creativity, so there must be creativity. Then high labor intensive, so that means we must create some intensive program. So what do you mean by intensive program? So it is like give them you know training. So you need to give them training. So if you can give them training, then only there will be a labor intensive program. So there must be a focus that there must be diversification and innovation. So what is innovation? New techniques and new ideas should be generated. And you must create high labor intensive program. So like, it's like, high labors means skillful. So let me write down here, skilled laborers. Okay, so that means we have to promote development oriented policies that support the product activities. And so that there is, now you can also write here is create jobs. Okay, so the more opportunities we create, we can create jobs, decent jobs, and we can create businesses, small businesses. We must encourage small entrepreneurs, or small people who are staying in the villages, so they can be encouraged as making businesses on their own. So that is called as entrepreneurship. And creativity and innovation also comes by encouragement of the government. So this is, so now the small and medium. So we have to basically focus on the small and medium. Okay, so small and medium enterprises, they have to be growing in the micro level. So growth, I'll write it down here, growth should be focused on micro. So on micro level we should focus, and small and medium enterprises, they must be encouraged to grow. So then only we will be able to have the goal promoted. And what was the goal which we had done was, as I said, was sustainable development on the growth and development. So which was the thing? Decent work and economic growth. So these reasons and this way, these are the features, or these are the ideas through which we can work off. Okay, and we can work on. And now I'll delete this and I'll tell you by 2030. So now when we had to achieve this goal, so let me write to be achieved by 2013. So there must be global consumption and production, and environment should be clean. So then what is the thing? There must be full and complete environment, full and complete jobs, or you can write employment, clean environment. Okay, so there must be clean environment. Okay, and there must be decent work for both. Okay, for both men and women. Okay, and there must be equal pay. So equal pay should be given here, okay? And yes, you must also see that, there must be education and training. So education and training given to the youth. So only by this way, and yes, one more thing is that, because as I told you that our labor laws are very outdated, so we have to also promote good labor rights. So I'll write down here, promote promote good labor rights. Labor rights should be protected. Okay, so labor rights should be protected. So that is a very, very important tool, and we must see that, by way of policies, and there must be also tourism. So I'll write that good sustainable, because if there is a tourism, then everybody will think that yes, India is so great, and and all over the country and all over the world also tourism will be flourish. So sustainable tourism flourished all over the world. Okay, so basically, if each and every country visits other countries, then tourism will increase, jobs will increase, and they will also have a good, decent livelihood. Okay, so that is a very important thing. And yes, we must also increase the aid. What is the meaning of aid? So giving, like providing money or finance, giving. So increase the aid for trade support. Okay, so this is especially for developing countries, like particularly in the including the integrated, all the developing nations should integrate with each other, and we should also help the least developed countries, so that they also come and they get a common platform. Okay, so by 2020 we have to develop and get a global strategy for the youth development and employment program, so that is what, there must be global jobs all over the country, and we must have this international labor organization where the jobs are created only for youth. So by 2020 we must reach that all youths of the world should get job by way of international labor organization. Okay, so now let us go to the next one, that is goal 9. Okay, so yes, goal 9. Let me just erase this. Yes, goal 9. So what was goal 9? It is industry, innovation. So there must be industry should be developed. Innovation means new techniques should come up. Okay, and what else? Yes, we have to focus on infrastructure. So and infrastructure. Okay, so there must be, like, trans border. So border to border there must be good infrastructure between different countries. So trans border infrastructure. Okay, develop quality roads. So because if roads are developed, quality roads are developed, I'll give you example. See, Canada and America, they have a very good trade relation, and because they have a very good infrastructure, and that's why industries, both the countries are benefiting because of the great infrastructure. The roadways are very good. Okay, then again I'll give you example of European nations. They do trading through trains. Okay, so all the trains are very accessible to different countries. So suppose if you want to go from Switzerland to Sweden, you can just go by train. Okay, so there is one particular pass, international pass, which through which you can travel. Like in the morning, if you go to Switzerland, in the evening you can even reach Sweden, and by 3 days, by only by train, you can travel the entire Scandinavia and the entire Western Europe. So this is the way we also have to do. So all the developed nations, especially the developing countries, should have a good industry, innovation, and infrastructure. Okay, so we have to promote also. Yes, another thing which is the highlighting point here, promote industrialization by 2030. So we have to promote this also. Okay, so we have to see that employment is increased, and GDP increases, so GDP will also increase. So GDP will also increase. Okay, and so, and another thing we have to do also, upgrade infrastructure. So all this has to be done by 2030. So we have to build industries, we have to create more jobs and opportunities for making more industries. And yes, we have to see that we have to also enhance the scientific research and spread the technical know-how, so that is innovation, and see that the infrastructure is developed by 2030. So all this goal has to be done. Okay, and yes, there must be workers who are skilled workers who are getting jobs, so it is interrelated. So goal 8 and goal 9 is interrelated. Okay, so that is what, even small islands, and small states like developing states, they also should be in this bracket. Okay, so there also industry should be spread, there also innovation and infrastructure should spread. So like I'll give you example, like India has dominated or developed all industry innovation